So, there's the innocent looking Nala. But she's vicious. She is so vicious. Yeah, she knows what I'm talking about. Look at what she did to me. Vicious, vicious dog. Look at that. Look at that. Can't really see it, but still. All of that. It's marks. Just in one sitting. She's a vicious, vicious dog. And they hurt a lot more than they appear to be. Look at that. Look at that. Just tearing me up. Everybody thinks she's so cute. Hmm? Hmm? Yeah. Right. Look at her. She's waiting to attack. Attack mode. There's her war cry. Her war cry. Huh? Is that all I have to say, Nala? Huh, Nala? Huh? Is that all you have to say? Scared me. That's okay. Huh? What? 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 That it? Vicious. Look at her attack. Look at her attack. Do you have anything else to say? Nope. Huh? Nala? Vicious dog. Look at her. She killed that beaver fox thing.